Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BrightAsDae. If you're new here, just do me a favor and hit that subscribe button real quick. All right, now we back. If you're oldie but a goodie, welcome back. So anyway, I asked on Instagram today, did y'all want Florida vlogs, regular vlogs, now that my Jamaica vlogs are done? And majority of y'all said yes. So here what? Welcome to the vlog goodie with our Florida with the thing.
Nice and clean, and you ever look good. The tree not growing on your face and your man too, that you say you're quite alright.
Excuse my rough look. It's like almost 6 o'clock on a Friday, coming from work. And guys, I went to my first therapy session today. I decided to start going to therapy. It's always been something that I wanted to do. I believe in therapy. I was a psychology major in college. Not to say that psychology is exactly therapy, but I do believe in mental health, especially amongst us in the Black community, especially Caribbean, Jamaican family. You know, I think therapy is not that, what's the word? It's not that normalized for us. And just as for Black people, I don't think, I mean, it's becoming, but speaking from a Jamaican background, it's not something that's normalized. We don't talk about what problem with nobody. We keep it in us because we don't want nobody bring back what business, go tell nobody. So it's always something that I'm open to. You know, mental health is very important, very, very important. So I'm excited. I was really nervous before I went. I meant to start vlogging before I went to give y'all like how I was feeling, my mental state. Now my mental state has changed a little bit since I left. Oh, my lips are dry, my hair is dusty. I'll be back. I need some, Uncle tell me something, I need some Carmax for my lips. Oh God, I'm been dry goodie. Oh God. Ooh, moved on too much now. But yeah, before I went, I was so anxious. I've been anxious all day because I don't know, you know, I know it was my first session, so I didn't know what direction it was going to go in. So I'm like, oh my God, we're going to break down some deep stuff. I'm going to be like stressed out because we're talking about some deep stuff. But it wasn't like that today. Today was just a very introductory session where I filled out a lot of paperwork, you know, patient therapist, confidentiality stuff. Also, it was us getting to know each other. One of the activities that I knew was gonna come, she was like, you have 2 minutes, tell me about yourself. Y'all, I blanked. I was like, who am I? And it's so crazy. And when she asked me, she was like, do you really need therapy? So she was like, girl, do you need therapy? And I was like, I don't know. I said counseling, maybe somebody to talk to, I don't know, but I do think that I need to talk about some stuff. I've been through stuff that I need to talk about, you know, and I'm gonna want everybody to open their business. So, you know, why not have somebody, you know, your business confidential with them and go talk about it. Protect your mental health. Lately, I've been very drained. I wouldn't go as far as depressed, but I've been very low. And that's just overall, like just with my job, with just everything. I feel unappreciated sometimes. And, you know, all that great stuff. I'm not just, you know, I don't like really the negativity on my channel. But, you know, I'm have to be real with them sometimes. So anyway, I just left that. I feel good. Obviously, this is the best I've felt all day. And we didn't really go into much, but it's just like somebody checking in with you. Like, how was your day today? Like, tell me about your day. Like let's talk about that part. Like, you know, stuff like that. She gave me homework, so I got homework to do. My next session is on Tuesday. I think she said for the first month or so, we should see each other every week. So I scheduled Friday because that's the only time she had available for this week. So I'm going back on Tuesday. So I'll keep you updated with that. Yeah. So yeah, right now I'm going home. Me and Jessica got trace off the people that will live out with apartments. But I would have that woman back at me, illy woman come blow. People don't know want to see the car right in front of me. She are going like say me can't drive no faster than this. Anyway, me and Jessica got trace off the people that apartment leasing office because one of my biggest pet peeve, y'all, too much. One of my biggest pet peeve is when I'm driving, people blow me. I know all that woman blow me for. I was saying, me and Jessica go trace off the people in my apartment complex because them are going to tell us so we can't pay our rent online anymore. We have to bring in money order and must check or something like that. That's not convenient for me because what you call it? Because when them open me in the home, so it's like, and when me I go home now, like no, them like 6 o'clock. It's 5:42. I'm not gonna make it home to pay my rent, but they give you until the 3rd. They don't open on Sunday, so me I gotta pay my rent. So Jessica go there now because me not gonna make it. So Jessica gonna have me on speakerphone, and when me say me I go cuss them up, me say me the one day in a person so them can feel. It's a difference being on the phone and being there in person, and I want to be there in person. I'm not gonna be home tomorrow. I have a meeting tomorrow, so hopefully my meeting ends early and I can rush there because I want to talk to them in person because I need to be able to pay my rent online. That's convenient for me. I do everything online. I pay everything online. Me not like really deal with people just like me like do my business online. Me no need to see you, you no need to see me. Cool? Cool. But then my concern we can't pay online no more. I'm gonna come get y'all in the office. So if you, I know y'all not watching this, but if y'all are, just know I'm coming for you. Like I was saying, I'm on my way home. I'll keep y'all updated with what happens with the apartment people. We got 16 minutes to get there. Just go and get there before me, so hopefully she's there, and I'm waiting for her call. Anyway, yeah, we talk to her later or tomorrow. Like I said, tomorrow I need to go redo my hair, y'all, but tomorrow I have a meeting in the morning till like 3:30, and ooh, I should see if I can make an appointment for tomorrow evening. But more, I got an appointment. Go cost them. I'm gonna call the guy tonight to see if I can, or text him to see if I can get an appointment for tomorrow to go get my hair, you know, lower and stuff like that. My pot back and everything. I'll keep y'all updated. Y'all coming with me for the whole weekend, and I will checking later. So no know say me now come back and I try to tell no one dramatic something. Say yeah, we got an office and we'll cost the people them. Not like that. Jessica go, and I wasn't home yet, so Jessica had to call me, put my speaker. But me never do much talking after I don't know somebody at ready for them. So the woman turned it back so we can pay online now. So that worked out. But me want to be more dramatic. Low key. Like I've been mad all day at work thinking about when I go sit with them and everything. Then the woman just turn it on back. So not exciting. But anyway, we're there now. Man, just got go eat some buffalo chicken dip. It's not even done yet. It's in the oven. I literally too much smoke. I literally just put it in the oven. So next 20 to 30 minutes we're gonna eat. We got some tartaritas. We got some thotties. So that's what we're gonna do right now. Over there, I play Alkaline come out with a new song called Talk Truth. So good girl, I have one new intro song for you too, but it might not have vlog yet too. Yo. But anyway, Izzy, you want up on the vlog? Izzy, watch him. Hey, you love attention, don't you? Say hi, DAEVLOGS. Don't lick me. I know somebody don't like that crap. Say hi, DAEVLOGS. But say hi, Jessica.
God, hey y'all.
Wait. Oh, I need to text Thingy to see if he got an appointment tomorrow. But y'all, isn't me on my hair grew? Like this needs to cut down. My part needs to come back. May cut down the back a little more. I low key want some more of this to be gone up top, but because he didn't dye the roots, I don't know how it's gonna look if he cut more of the dye part off. But anyway, I'm gonna check back in. I'm supposed to be on live right now. I've not been feeling live, but people been calling me. Y'all been calling me out like, "Day with the live there." So I might go on live, but not right now. Maybe in about an hour or two, or never. But yes, Jessica, we have to say to the people them. Jessica, they all look outfit. I'm telling the old man, Jessica planned spring break from last year. Man, I'm telling man, Jessica planned spring break from last year. You know, I know say good girl ditch me. Gone pan trip without me, but it's alright. But some guys I don't know what I'm gonna do for spring break. So anyone who want to come on spring break with me, it start next week. If you don't want to come, just let me know. Tell where we go quick. Puerto Rico? I want to go to Puerto Rico, huh? It really did, didn't it?
Yes.
Puerto Rico. I was really looking at Puerto Rico, but I don't know. I don't know. Save me damn money. I do need a camera, so maybe that money can go towards that. Priorities. Okay. Anyway, me check back in when the buffalo chicken dip done. We're going to play some music and whatever. Bartender Sade just whip up Jessica some parappa drinks. Oh, it tastes, you know. Delicioso, num num num. Yeah. Alright guys, let me show you how I so I'm cooking here, my chef BrightAsDae. Me need a bartender here. bartender. Oh, okay, guys. So I'm gonna show you. So first, you get some ice. The ice is what's giving it the slush, and then you get your alcohol of choice, and then fully up. And then you can get your mixer of choice. I think this is the strawberry one. Strawberry daiquiri. What would you call this? A mixer, the cocktail mix. And I pour a little bit in it. I don't pour a lot. It's so hard vlogging with your phone, dog. I really need to get a camera. Then I put like 2. I'm gonna put some more. I'm on drunk. Cool. Okay. And then I do that. And then I just blend it up.
I just spend money on
and you enjoy. Mine is a little bit more slushy than drinky, but this won't melt. I gotta drink mine with a straw because it's real slushy. Come like the buffalo wings. Something about the buffalo wings. The chicken dip now I'm done. I'm gonna tell them barely. Cause what me I do? I'm gonna start half and a flask of me money. Money look a bit. My money not my money, no. Anyway, guys. My money, ha ha. My money, ha ha. So my video is what you call it on you. My video is premiering now on YouTube, so let me go on YouTube. Hey guys, I am out of my meeting. Oh, I'm like, no, that's not my phone, y'all. That's literally.
Yo, DJ. And what's the boy TJ boss?
That's owned and lane by TJ. That's the intro. But anyway, we just leaving the meeting. I have a crazy headache. I'm oily and everything, so I just need to like go home and chill. It's pouring. Well, it's not pouring. It was pouring. Now it's slowed down a little bit. It's raining outside, so I'm just gonna head on home. We were supposed to go drink, but I don't feel like it. It's been an exhausting day. So hey guys, what's up? Well, Sunday is a continuation of the vlog. It's just a weekend vlog to show you. I mean, this is not really my typical weekend because yesterday I told you I was going to a meeting, and then Friday, what did I do Friday? I don't even remember. Oh, I went to therapy and I was telling you about the whole thing. So today's Sunday and my friend hit me up and he was like, what you doing? And I was like, nothing. We were supposed to go to the movies last night and none of us like texted each other. So he called me this morning. He was like, which one of us not shit? Like, who's not shit? Because none of us texted each other last night. I was like, I know, but we kind of understand. We have that friendship where we understand each other. So anyway, he called me. He was like, what you doing? I was like, nothing. And he was like, let's go to get mimosas. So we're heading to mimosas right now. They have mimosas from like 12 to 4 unlimited. You just pay $10 and you can drink as much mimosa as you want. But right now we're meeting up for 3 o'clock, so we're only gonna have 1 hour. We didn't want to get like drunk or nothing. It was just a chill thing. So that's where we're heading. That's where I'm heading to right now. I have to get gas, unfortunately. Y'all, one of the things I hate about a car is getting gas. I hate it. Like, I just always wish whenever it's time for me to get gas, I have somebody to do it for me. Like, I don't like touching the gas thing. Like, ugh. And I said I'm gonna get gloves so that, you know, and I always have a bottle of water right here to like wash my hands and stuff afterwards, but it just still feel gross. And I'm touching my steering wheel. I just feel like germs just transfer. Like, ugh. I hate it. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna meet up with my friend right now. So once I meet up with him, I will check back in. It's about a 20 something minutes drive, so I'm gonna be jamming to some music, y'all. I need to go get my nails done too later. I just broke another one today. I think I'm just gonna get them short. Like, at this point, I think I'm just gonna get them short because I hate when my nails break and they just look all like not groomed. I hate when they don't look groomed. So Hopefully they don't close early today. It is Sunday, so they'll probably close at 6. But we'll see. So guys, we came and we started drinking and everything. We got mimosas. We only got one though. We didn't get the bottle. Huh? Right. So we're gonna head over the street in a minute once we finish this out. What? That's him? So guys, Ty is shopping. That's how you know what's...
You putting this on your page?
You can say what you want.
I don't really like what
I like that. I would wear that as a dress.
Yeah, I don't really like what I'm wearing. It's too long.
You don't like what you're wearing right now?
No, it just feels tight.
Oh.
Do you like it?
I do like it.
I'm sure. I just don't.
You and Jessica asked, y'all was ghetto back in the day.
Girl, I was about to get a rose right here.
Don't.
I was like Vixen and shit.
No. I'm glad you didn't.
Right. You said you wouldn't talk to me.
I mean, you know, of course I would. Where you wanted to go?
Yeah. I thought she was gonna like.
Nope.
Is that annoying?
Huh?
Is that annoying?
So guys, we got sangrias. We are at Root Down. Oh, that's mine too? Do they both?
Oh, I don't know. Oh, yes, it is.
Of course it's me trying to spill stuff on myself. You know, let's not.
Hey, you guys enjoy it.
Come and try, taste your drink. Taste your drink. It's not that good to me. Oh, now I'm tasting the rosemary. I need to taste that part from the beginning. It's cool. So y'all, let me be mixy. Ty saw his and he not trying to say
what
hi.
What if you see your YouTube?
He not gonna see my YouTube. He don't even strike me as the type to be on YouTube. But so if you see this video, you know who you are. Y'all need to stop playing. I need to come eat some wedding cake.
No, I want to get this shirt so I look sexy. Does that look sexy?
You do. I like it. And he got his legs out. You better have something now. So guys, like it's like a Ty, what time is it? What time is it? It's like a, what time did we get here? Maybe like a 2 hour gap since we vlogged last.
So we don't want to do that. Let's make moves again.
So Ty's hungry. And then we got more people to join us. Anthony's here. Anthony said, what's up?
What's up?
Jessica here.
Hey.
And I'm about 3 drinks deep, but it's still still a little lit. And now I'm hungry, but I know I'm getting seafood. They just have to decide what they're gonna eat.
Yeah, I don't really want to shop. I'm just eat this up at my house.
Yeah.
It's probably cheaper.
That part.
I want to bounce.
Yeah, I'm ready. So we're about to leave now. Thanks for rocking out with me this weekend. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. And I'll see y'all next week on another episode of...
What do you call your episode? BrightAsDae?
I don't. Of day. Not that. It's me. Yep, that's me.